if you were to give people advice on like, I don't know, a couple things that they should look for in a good microphone, like what would be like your top tips? It doesn't have to be a lot, just like first things that come to mind.
So you don't have to spend a lot. You don't have to drop a couple $100 on a microphone
Yeah.
right out of the gate. You can, but it's definitely not necessary. If you wanted to, you could literally record on your phone, and that would be a great starting point.
Exactly.
If you are wanting to step up the quality and you are wanting to get a little bit more podcast friendly mic, I would definitely err on the side of a dynamic microphone than a condenser microphone. And without getting into all of it, usually when you type in like podcast microphones, it's going to say like Shure condenser microphone, Samsung dynamic microphone. And the reason I say dynamic is because it does a lot better job of blocking out background noise.